Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe down below, and if you are a regular and a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again. So, as you've read by today's title, I need to figure out my wardrobe. I need to figure out all this clothes that's on my bed. I'm going to take you to the spare bedroom. Hello Zion. I need to take you to the spare bedroom and I'll show you all the clean laundry that I just washed, tumble dried, and I folded it, but it's not packed away because I don't want to pack it away in a messy cupboard. So I was going to pack it away, and then I just decided, why don't I just do my transition already, because it is like it's the start of autumn, so I might as well switch out my summer clothes for the autumn ones. I might do that today, like I might start that process today. I think it will take a few days because my and Josh's clothes are a mess and I don't have a lot of space in my cupboard, and Joshua does have a lot of space. Joshua has the middle cupboard between our rooms as well, which is not fair because we both have a lot of clothes. So I'm going to make space in this middle cupboard for my things as well. So that's what today is going to be looking like. But then also we're going out tonight, so I'm gonna have to stop recording for that later on. So let's go. And this is in the lounge. So this is more clean clothes as well as this, and some jackets, and that's a dress of mine, as well as a shirt, and then some white things. So we need to get our act together. Guys, it is a few days later from when I actually started filming this video, and my room, let me just say that my room is a complete mess. I'm actually wanting to show you. Yeah, I can't wait, and I'm getting a puppy, a little baby girl, in 2 weeks, I think, a week or two. And my room needs to be tidy, like where she's going to sleep. I need to put a bed somewhere. I need to get a bed firstly. So I'm wearing jeans and carry jeans. So I need to figure this out. And I don't have a lot of space in my wardrobe. So what I do is, I do the seasonal wardrobe change, you know. So it is the start of autumn. So you can like start to feel that the nights are a bit chilly and whatever. So I need to transition my wardrobe, but I need to figure out like what I'm actually going to keep here, if that makes sense. So I'm not sure. Sorry, my packaging. So I'm not sure if I should first like take everything out of the cupboard and like pack it neatly, you know, or if I should first. I think so, no? I think I should first pack everything, and then I emptied space in this middle cupboard between my and Josh's room. I made space so that I can at least pack like my jeans and jerseys, or my jeans and like crew neck long sleeve things there.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's swimming. It took me some time, but now I moved
At all. At all. At all.
Je must even de nul.
Wait, help me. You must make me dance.
Ah, wat doe je? Doe al move.
We're going now.
En dus komt
We're going now.
Hey!
We're
Hey!
going.
Dat is toch wat? Wat doet hij? En ze moet verder.
Good morning, guys. It is like multiple days later, but it is I think it's Thursday. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's Thursday, and the exterminator guy is supposed to be coming today because I don't like bugs and for me to prevent bugs, you know. And apparently, all the bedding is supposed to be off the beds. So if it wasn't, I promise you guys, if it was not for this guy coming, I would probably still have been procrastinating doing my room. But I have no choice but to do it. Now, let me just show you guys. Look at it, like my bed. Why is it permanently a catastrophe? But I need to do something about it, so I'm going to do something about it now. And let me just say, that boy loves me too much. This is auntie's boy. And now I can never do anything in peace. And I promise you guys they were just sleeping. Anyway, let's do this room quickly.
With me, all your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Guys, it is a few days after the last clip that I recorded for you guys. And at this point, no, I'm lying, I recorded last night. But either way, at this point, I am so done with my room. So I'm going to show you the three shelves that I'm going to tidy now. And I'm not going to record the whole process, I'm just going to show you the before and after. So let's get to this.
Tell me, girl, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo.
Hello guys, today is like day 5762 of me cleaning this room. So I just showered and I'm going to finish it up today because it's not much that needs to be done besides me doing something with this clothing rail, like removing all 7,000 bags that's on it, and then we shall be done. No boy. So Yo.
On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wait, me bagels.
Love it up, baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do.
So yes, you guys, this is finally the end of this video. If you enjoyed seeing this type of videos, like the room cleaning and all of those, then comment down below and let me know. And I'll be sure to do more of it. Even though it took like 7 years, we'll still get it done. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and being so supportive. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching.
This type shit happens.